Listen, we're at the Cathedral del Mar, right here in the Gothic Quarter in Barcelona, Spain. I'm here in the square right now. As you can see, they got Spanish music playing in the background. People are sipping espresso and having drinks. And we have this most beautiful medieval style cathedral in the background. Welcome to the Gothic Quarter in Barcelona, Spain. We're gonna explore today the Gothic Quarter. Woo. This view is amazing right here. This place is awesome. Woo. Here at the Roman Towers right here.
So what is the church?
Let's see. Look at the Roman towers. That looks crazy. So the Romans had some places built in here too. Cervezas. Just enjoying the view. Sipping some drinks. It's not a bad life. Very peaceful here too. Nice and cool. Nice cool breeze. We are here at the Plaça de Cathedral. This place looks crazy. This is like the famous little bridge, of the Gothic Quarter. This place is super old. This place is crazy. We're just here chilling in the Gothic Quarter at Pont Del Bisbe. This is the most photographed area of the Gothic Quarter. This connects the Catalan government building, hello, to the look at this. Get some espresso. Get some espresso in this old looking restaurant here. Gothic Quarter. Look, you ever seen an ancient espresso machine? Got an ancient espresso machine right there. Mi amigo. So we're gonna try some of these bottles here. This bottle right here, this is 50 years old Brandy. We got some right here we're gonna try. Some 50-year-old Brandy. That's nice. Nice. What do you think of the 50-year-old Brandy?
50-year-old Brandy. Smooth.
Get the dust on this bad boy. Get some dust on there. This is the first coffee shop in the Gothic area.
Yeah.
Wow. We're now in the first coffee shop in the Gothic area in 1909. Try to show you a little bit of the decor. Go up there. Very old, more than 100 years old coffee shop. And this espresso maker was made in 1929. This place is sick. If you come here, this is the name. Look at all this nice food they got. Tartaleta coco, alfajor, tartaleta music, like croissants, sweets. Tartaleta de coco. Oh my god. Ay, Dios mío. Tastes amazing. That's good. Going to the other church here in the Gothic Quarter, Santa Maria del Mar, the Lady of Carmel. As you can see, we're getting closer, walking through the streets of the Gothic Quarter. Beautiful. Nightmare Horror Museum. What is this? Oh my. They got a scary alleyway there. Nightmare Museum. Oh, we got Starbucks. Got a cafe. Look at this.
It's a nice.
So famous documentary.
Ahora sí, ¿estás viendo?
We're here. We're standing in the history. Standing in history right here. Look at this. Crazy. Santa Maria del Mar. That's a beautiful view. I can tell why people love the Gothic Quarter. It's definitely a cool place. Very peaceful, you know. Walking through the alleyways. Just chilling like, bro, they're just chilling like us. Like, they're like, bro, we was on the Chupacabra, bro. Some of these paintings are just ridiculous here. One painting, a dude's got his foot on a dragon, holding the skull with a crown. It's like, what's this one? Wow, look at this one. Listen, that's amazing how these painted all of this, so much detail. Probably took so much work and time. The amount of effort it took to do this. It's peaceful here. It is. Is this the Lady del Mar? Santa Maria del Mar? Del Carmen? There's a lot of women. black saint here. Black saint in Spain. The cathedral. You ain't know there was a black saint? You ain't know? Look there. Look at this one. We're going back to the ancient times. We're going back in time. We're going back in time.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, we gotta climb 150 steps up the terrace. Oh.
Your legs.
It's okay.
Hey, they got little blocks.
Uh-huh.
You look out the side of the wall like windows.
Really?
That's kind of cool, like little squares.
Uh-huh. Woo, we're climbing, baby. We're climbing. We made it. Wow. Oh my God, this view.
This is amazing.
Oh my, this view is amazing. Wow. That was definitely worth it. Look at this. I'm dying. That was a long, we already been walking. I've already been walking like 100 miles. But it's so rewarding at the top. Oh, this is crazy. The view up here is crazy. The world is yours. The world is yours.